Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the IDH number 12040K015. This is a mini ball catch. And it's mini, it's tiny. So the 12040K references the fact that this is what they call a mini ball catch. You might call it a bullet catch as well. I don't think anyone would have trouble with calling it a bullet catch. The 015 is a reference to satin nickel. This is intended to emulate a satin nickel finish, and I think it does so quite well. This is going to be available in 003 finish, which is polished brass, 005, which is antique brass, 014, which is a bright nickel, 015 here in satin nickel, 019 is matte black, 026 polished chrome, 08A antique copper, and 10B is an oil rubbed bronze finish. Now, let me give you some dimensional properties of this item so you have an idea of what you're dealing with. It's a bit small for a tape measure, but we've got a tool that'll help out with that. Okay, here we go. Diameter of the body, 0.375, right on. 3/8 body diameter. Diameter of the outside lip, 0.436. 0.436. So practically 7/16. Length of the body, 0.651, so basically 5/8. Then you've got that ball bearing that's spring loaded down in there. Then you've got a tiny little strike plate. We'll use a tape measure for this. 1 inch is the height that they've got it at. 3/4 inch is the width. Okay. Center of the holes to the edge of the lip, it's looking like it's about 9/16 of an inch. Center to center of those screw holes, if you want to study where that is, so about 3/16 down to about 7/8, I would say. Okay. A couple of very small screws are going to be included. It might be a size 4, I'm guessing at that. There's a link below this video to a document called Product Page, and that's handy because it will allow you to review this IDH item and compare it against some typical items that you're going to find in the realm of ball catches and roller latches, etc. From the tiniest, which is the 12040, all the way up to that real large 12028, 12017. Very nice quality items from IDH. Their packaging, at least historically, has been heavy gauge Ziploc bags like this. Sometimes with some packaging material in it, some paper packaging material that would be included to identify it. The point of the matter is this heavy material allows the hardware to arrive at its destination well protected. They always isolate all the parts. There's never any pieces that touch each other, and that's appreciated. All these items are isolated from each other. It's a hallmark of IDH. Okay. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up the full line IDH product catalog and review all things IDH hardware related. They have maintained an availability of solid brass hardware that, quite frankly, you would need an antique hardware catalog to just see that it ever existed. So I'm appreciative to IDH because they're making a lot of this hardware available. They're doing so in a very broad array of available finishes, and they're doing so with very high quality brass fit and finish. Delivery times, customer service is excellent. Now, where you're going to use this tiny little ball catch, in cabinet doors is really where you're going to use it. You might be doing some furniture, some custom cabinetry. You might be replacing existing. The home that I grew up in as a child had these on the kitchen cabinet doors, and it's nice to be able to get your hands on them should one fail. Again, any questions on the IDH number 12040K015 mini ball catch in satin nickel finish or any other IDH product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.